Just behind Wisma Pertanian, near Taman Ujana Rimba Tropika in Kota Kinabalu, lies a quiet pond locals call the Bomb Crater Lake. Some say it was formed by a World War II bomb. Others believe it's just an old excavation that filled with rainwater over time. No records truly confirm its origin, but that's what keeps the mystery alive. In a city that's always changing, this small lake still whispers stories from the past. Whether it began as a crater or not, it's now part of Kota Kinabalu's quiet folklore. Sometimes, even ordinary places can hold a little mystery if we look closely enough.